Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my PJs and these are my bunny PJs. They're just super adorable and I love bunnies, if you didn't know. But I'm wearing these PJs because I am about ready to go to bed. I wanted to film this video before I went to bed to show you guys how I use facial massage to help get rid of wrinkles. So not rid of them totally, it does take a while to do it and you do have to do it for quite a while, but I have noticed a significant decrease in the depth of my wrinkles. It may not look like I have a lot of wrinkles, but I definitely have some up here. I have been getting some here. I'm going to be 30, believe it or not, so I am getting some wrinkles. I wanted to show you guys what product I use for my facial massage and kind of show you how to do it so that you can do it at home and learn how you can decrease your wrinkles. Let's get started. You are zoomed into my face, which is always a lovely time. Before I start doing my facial massage, I of course thoroughly cleanse my skin. I use a Skin Vita cleanser most nights and I use my Michael Todd cleansing brush, which I really love. I highly suggest that you use that. If you guys are interested in my whole face wash routine, that will be linked somewhere for you guys to check out. My face is washed, it is ready. I am going to apply the oil. The oil that I've been using for my facial massage for the past few months. I've been doing it for quite a while, so I can tell you if I like it or not. And the company sent me this so I could try it and do a review. So finally I'm doing a review and kind of showing you how I have been using it and how it actually has been helping my anti-aging. It is the Cacay oil from Cacay Naturals and the bottle is ridiculously full of oil and all kinds of stuff, but that shows you that I use it all the time. It is such a great oil, and on the bottle it says 100% Cacay oil, professional anti-aging. So when I got this, I looked up some research on Cacay oil and all of the benefits are insane. It's an anti-aging oil more than any other oils. It has so many vitamins and all kinds of natural ingredients to really help your skin, especially with anti-aging, which is what we want to do when we're around my age, or if you're in your later 20s and you just want to prevent those wrinkles from coming. I have a lot of expression lines, as you can see. I get them up here and over here, but my face is very expressive and that's just how it is. When I am ready to go to bed, after I cleanse my face, I use this oil in a facial massage, and that is what helps the wrinkles that you have already and also to prevent other wrinkles from coming up. I have been using this oil religiously. I have seen such an improvement in my skin. It's amazing, but I will read you guys all the benefits after the facial massage so you guys can see, but I'm going to show you my facial massage right now so you can see how to do it at home. It's super easy and quick. I usually just take a few minutes to do it and your wrinkles or your anti-aging routine will thank you. First, I take a couple drops. So this product is not as oily as, say, argan oil. I would say it's not sticky, which I really like. I can't stand sticky oils on my skin. I feel like it doesn't absorb. This oil absorbs really well. My skin just soaks it in and loves it so much. It absorbs into the skin quickly, so if you're doing it before bed like I do, I don't have to wait forever for it to absorb into my skin so I can lay on my pillow and not worry about oil being everywhere. I take a few drops of this into my hand, then I rub it together, and I do put it all over my face. You actually might need a few more than a few drops. I usually just take a good amount because it just soaks it in. So I feel like there's not any bad amount. And I have not tried this with like mixing with makeup or anything, but I would think it would work really well for that too if you wanted to kind of that glow. But my skin really glows after this, after it soaks into the skin. The glow factor, or whatever you want to call it, stays on for quite a while. So you want to just kind of like immerse your skin in this stuff. You just kind of want to really make sure it's everywhere. And as you can see already, there is a glow going on, which I really like. I don't know. Before I go to bed, who cares? But I just like seeing my skin glow. It makes me feel like it's healthy and, you know, youthful, whatever you want to call it. Then for the facial massage, all you really want to make sure is that you have the oil on your fingers. So you want to make sure you have extra on your fingers. I rub it in so it's not just like everywhere. Then you're going to take your middle finger, place it right here at where your eyebrows start. Then you're going to move it up to about above your eyebrows. Then you just keep moving it up, and then when you get to that part, then you just push it down. You repeat that for, I do it like 10 times. So that's 2. And it's really relaxing and just kind of gets you ready for bed. I really like it. And then my finger starts to get tired, so then I use 2 fingers, which I don't think really matters. So that really helps with these wrinkles right here. They did used to be deeper and more pronounced, so I feel like they have really gotten smaller or less deep, if that makes any sense. Doing this facial massage has really helped with that there. Then I also like to do this one, which really slims your jaw over time. It's crazy because I feel like my face was really bloated, and when I started doing this, then it seemed to make all of that bloated pockets of fat or whatever it is go away by doing this massage. So for this one, you want to have it on heel of your hand, whatever, what do you call this? I don't know what you call it. You just want to put them right here, palms, at the bottom of your palms. And you want to rub that together. Then you want to put it right here, cradling your chin. Oh my gosh, I can't talk tonight. I'm ready for bed, guys. This is how it goes. Go like this, and then you're just going to kind of push your face down into it. And I do this 10 times also. So you kind of feel like the pockets of, I want to say pockets of fat, or I don't know what it is, but the extra bloated, like you can kind of feel it there. If you do this, it feels like it moves and it does not stay there. I feel like it really does shape my jaw, which is something that I really like. I feel like bloated in the face a lot because I think I eat too much salt and sugar, which I'm trying to stop during the new year. The last step then, if you don't want to do any facial massages, which there are other ones, there's ones for wrinkles here, underneath your eyes, all kinds of things like that. So look those up on YouTube. There are some amazing YouTube channels that specialize in facial massage, and I'll link some down below for you guys. But those are the ones that I use before bed mostly, so that I feel like I'm not bloated and everything. So I go to bed feeling a little bit better about my skin and all that. So the last step then is to kind of move everything down. The lymphatic system, you need to move it all down. So you're gonna go like behind your ears, right here. Take your fingers and go push it down your neck. And this just feels like all of that stuff that's been making your face all puffy comes down and just kind of releases it. So I already feel like I'm feeling less puffy in the face, which is really a really nice thing. Facial massage increases circulation to your facial tissue, resulting in brighter, youthful looking skin. It can also help to lift and firm the skin, so that's why it's a really great anti-aging kind of thing. With Cacay oil, which is also anti-aging, you get double the benefits. Also reduces stress, so anytime you feel like you're really stressed, just sit and do your facial massage. Doesn't have to be night, doesn't have to be morning. You can do it during the day if you want to. So massaging the area helps to release the toxins and prevent them from building up in your face. So that's why we pull down all of this to drain from our face to the lymph nodes, which are located under your ears on the sides of your neck. And another tip, if you're doing the facial massage, make sure you're not doing it too hard, but you make sure you're not doing it too soft either. You need to find a perfect medium. I told you that after the facial massage that I would tell you all about the amazing benefits of Cacay oil, and I will read them to you right from the website. On the website, it says Cacay Naturals oil is an anti-aging, 100% natural, 100% organic cold pressed with clinical studies that prove its effectiveness. It contains 50% more vitamin E and twice the amount of linoleic acid, I hope I'm saying that right, than argan oil. So as I was saying, argan oil is also a really good oil, but it is really sticky and doesn't contain all the benefits of Cacay oil. It also has 3 times more retinol than rosehip oil. So retinol is also another really good anti-aging thing to have. A lot of products have retinol, but this oil has some of the highest that you can get. Another cool thing it does is that it reduces blemishes and scars. So if you have any scars or marks on your face, it helps reduce that. I do have some stuff over here that takes a long time to go away, believe me. Slowly but surely I have seen the redness and all of the splotchiness go down after using this oil. As I've been sitting here, I feel like it has already been really getting into my skin and really making it glowy. I love the oil for a great moisturizer. It also helps with all your anti-aging properties, of course. It's just a great oil. It's light, it's not sticky, which is really important to me when I'm looking for a facial oil, especially when I'm doing my facial massage. I don't want it to be like sticking around. As it's on my hands, it doesn't feel like overly sticky or gross, like I want to go wash my hands. It's also a really good moisturizer for all over your body. You can use it really anywhere that you want to, and you just really only need a few drops. Just use a little bit and it goes a long way. They sent it to me months ago, but as I have told all of the companies that I work with that I need to try it for a very long time, especially if it's a skincare kind of thing. I want to try it for a long time to make sure that I do a thorough review and really tell you guys if it has helped my skin or not. And it actually has. I am really excited about this oil, and it is from Cacay Naturals. I hope I'm saying that right. That's what it seems like. So Cacay Naturals, and it is 100% Cacay oil. It has all of those benefits, and it makes your skin glow and look amazing. You can use it day or night or afternoon. I don't think it really matters, but I like to use it at night more than anything so that it really sinks into my skin. All of the vitamins and all of the retinol and anti-aging properties just sink in. So when I wake up, I feel like I have really glowy, healthy looking skin. That was my facial massage routine with the Cacay Naturals Cacay oil. This is an amazing oil. As I have said, I have tried it for a very long time, and I really wanted to make sure I was giving you guys an honest and thorough review, but I honestly love it. It is such a great anti-aging oil if you're looking for that. If you guys are wondering about their website, I will link it for you down below. Try it out for yourself because I think it really helps in the anti-aging process, which is a hard process, as you know. It has really helped me and my skin, and I think it feels and looks glowy and fantastic. I have no makeup on and I feel like I'll be fine going out, you know, grocery shopping or something. Probably not like a big event or anything, but if you want to feel good in your own skin, I think this is a great oil. And I'm going to be getting to bed. Me and my bunny will be getting to bed. I feel like we should name my bunny. What should we name him? Put down in the comments below what you think we should name my bunny. This is my favorite pajamas I've ever gotten, and I got them like a few Christmases ago, and I wear them all the time because bunnies are cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. That always helps me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. If you're interested in all my social media, all the links will be linked down below for you guys. If you're interested in where my vlogs went, they went to our new vlog channel, which is Our Young Family, and I will also have that linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, stay lustrous.